Python notebooks are a great way to explore data, build visualizations, and try out algorithms, all in your web browser. Notebooks are more interactive than iterating on a source file, and friendlier than interacting with the command line. Plus, you can embed code, images, and explanatory text all in the same document. They're easy to save and share, so they're a big part of many people's machine learning and data science workflow. The most common platform for Python notebooks is called Jupyter, and you would typically install it on your laptop to get started. However, in COS 302, we're going to use Google's free cloud-based notebook system called Collaboratory. This has the nice advantage that you won't need to install anything on your own machine, and everyone's configuration will be the same. No weird versioning problems due to differences between Mac and Windows or Anaconda and Homebrew. To get started with Colab notebooks, go to colab.research.google.com. On the dialog box that pops up, select New Notebook at the bottom. The notebook contains cells that generally will be code cells or text cells. The default one here is a code cell. We can type Python expressions into it and then use Shift-Enter to execute them. When we do that, a new code cell is created beneath it. We can convert that cell to a text cell by hitting Control-M and then M again. In the text cell, you can use the WYSIWYG editor or Markdown syntax to make formatted documents. In the homework assignment, we'll ask you to do a few different things. After you're done, we'll need you to turn in a PDF and also a link to the notebook in the cloud. Make sure the document is named something sensible and that you've executed all the cells so that we can see the output. Then, produce a PDF by doing File, then Print, and selecting Save as PDF as the destination. That will save the PDF locally, and then you can upload it to Overleaf later to include with the LaTeX. We'd also like you to give us a link to the document. First, save a pinned revision by doing File, and then Save and Pin Revision. Then you can go into the revision history and rename it. Click File, Revision History, and you'll see the versions along the right. Click on the three little dots next to the pinned version and select Rename. I suggest renaming it to something like Submitted or Final to indicate that this is what you're turning in. Of course, you'll want the timestamp to be before the assignment is due. After you've done that, exit out of the revision history and select Share. Click Get a Shareable Link and then Copy Link. Put that URL into your LaTeX document in the place specified. This might all seem a little bit complicated at first, but you'll get used to it. Versioning notebooks and sharing them via links is a really common practice for data analysis, visualization, and prototyping.